Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do a review about this new Land Rover Defender from Enchery. Recently I also did a review about a model from this brand, which is right over here. I will get it. Let's see. Let's put this one on the ground. Oh, beautiful model, by the way. Love this one. Nissan Patrol. Yeah, this one is also very cool. Reviews are on my YouTube channel. More weathered cars from Jackie Kim. Yeah, this was also mind-blowing. What a cool model. Yeah, here it is. Let's get the yellow version out. We already did the black version. And now we got the black Land Rover Defender. Yep, we need this. Oh, first I had to take this one off. And then we're going to make some light, some extra light. And we can start the review. Okay, let's have a look. First we're going to take the plastic off. So yes, like I was saying, 2021 Land Rover Defender 110 Enchery. Pretty good brand. Price quality is very good. There was a little bit of a gap in the window with this one. I will show you later. Above and beyond. Don't think it's a licensed model. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting this. It comes with some accessories and some protection. Hey, this one has the same thing. There's also a gap here in the window. Nice paint, by the way. Really shiny, good interior. Brake disc and brake claw behind the wheels. Heating in the back window, thank you very much for that. Nice spare tire. Panoramic sunroof. And we have a metal base, rubber tires. Pretty cool. Okay, let's have a look at the accessories. Yep, we can place this on top. Is there a click system or something? I think it's to be somewhere over here. It's a little bit strange. Okay, I think it has to be like this, but as you can see, you would expect some sort of clicking system. No, I guess that's not possible. How about the spare tire? There is saying Defender. Can I take this one off? Yep. And then we can put this one on. I like the, whoa. This one is way cooler in my opinion. Still think it's strange that this is not a good fit. Okay, let's have a look at the other one first. You can always decide to glue it on, but yeah, then it's permanently. Yeah, this was also a good one. Also brake disc, brake claw. Yeah, a little bit of a gap here in the window. They all seems to have that. Let's do something. Let's have a look at the interior. There we go. Here we get the interior. Yeah. You can do some customizing if you want for the dashboard. And how about the window? No, we can do nothing about that gap in the window. There we go. That's one. And that's two. No heating in the back window with this one. And also the glass that they're using, it's very scratchy. I think the paint is fantastic. Windscreen wipers. Yeah, if you have heating with this one, why not with the other one? Okay, another try, because I still can't believe it's not that it should be like this, right? No, definitely not. There's one-way fit. What I can do, I have a little bit of gum here. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, that's not, let's be honest, that's not perfect. That is not what you want, a green dot, but yeah, it'll work. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. And have a very good day. I'll see you soon with more Diecast. Bye.